Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. I hope you all are doing well, and I hope your trading journey is also going great. In this video, I will explain the logic behind our trades. For those who are new here, if you want to join us and take our trading signals, which are absolutely free of cost, the link is available in the description. You can also message us on Telegram at @binary support. All of our signals and all of our groups are completely free, so make sure to check the description. Now, let's start the video. Here, we provided our first signal in the VIP group because it was an OTC market. Our first trade was on American Express OTC for the downside move. Let me explain why we give this trade. There was a clear downtrend, and the moving average was also present. You can see that the previous green candle closed below the moving average and took rejection from it. That's why we provided a sell signal, and as you can see, we won this trade. So, we won our first trade. Now let's move on to the second trade, which was on VIX OTC for the call side. The logic behind this trade was very simple. There was a clear uptrend, the moving average was supporting the price, and the previous red candle closed above the moving average. That's why we provided a buy signal in the direction of the trend, and this was the logic behind the trade. Next, let's move on to another trade that we provided on Avalanche OTC for the downside move. The logic behind this trade was again very clear. There was a strong downtrend, and the moving average was acting as resistance. You can see a green candle that showed weakness for the downside continuation. That's why we provided a sell signal in the direction of the trend, and once again, we won this trade. Now let's move on to the next trade, which was again on American Express OTC, but this time for the upside move. The logic behind this trade was that although there was a previous downtrend, this green candle broke the trend and also broke above the moving average. After that, 4 red candles were formed, but they were not able to fully engulf the green candle. This showed buying strength. Since the moving average was also supporting the price, we provided a call signal, and this trade resulted in a very good win. Here, the session ended. This is the logic we use in the OTC market, and in this session, we won 4 non-Mart Ingle trades in the VIP group. All the links are available in the description. You can also message us on Telegram at @binary support. If you enjoyed the video and gained some trading knowledge, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions or comments, feel free to comment below. And if you want to join our groups, the link is in the description. Go and check it out. Till then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.